we skipped step 8 and we are just messing up this toy. And I had to cheat for her tail, but other than that, we did a great job. Hey there, toy people, get ready, because we are about to review and test the Magic Scrunch Pillow by Bright Stripes. This is a patent pending craft activity, and if you guys know me at all, you know that I came from the craft side of the toy industry. That is, crafts is where my patents in the toy industry came from, that category. And that was the first category of toys I worked on. It is a category that really holds my heart dearly because I believe that, because I grew up doing a ton of crafts. I loved craft toys. I had a wood burning kit. I remember I learned to knit kind of from a craft. I just absolutely love craft toys. So we can see what we're going to create on the front of the box. That's just key for all craft items. You always show like what the beautiful thing is the kid is going to create on the front of the box. You're going to make a mushy, squishy, loopy pillow. So fun, just weave and scrunch. Okay, seems easy enough. This requires no cutting or sewing. Ooh, made of recyclable material. I think the fleece here is made of 90% recycled post-consumer polyester. Amazing. The stuffing and the felt, so the stuffing's here and the felt here, is made of 100% recycled post-consumer polyester. The packaging is recyclable and no plastic is used besides tape. So this is something we're seeing in a lot of toy packages lately, this comment of no plastic being used besides tape. This is created by Bright Stripes LLC. I'll put the link in the description so you can check them out. And it comes with our pre-sewn pillowcase, our weaving straps, 7 panels of super soft double-sided fleece. Our weaving straps are here, and we have 5 felt pieces here, the pillow insert and instructions. Okay, great. Oh, the 5 felt pieces are the ears. And even this, look at how recyclable. Oh, this is great. Ooh, this is the tail. So cute. So cute. Okay, so these are the felt pieces. The stuffing and the felt is 100% recycled material. Oh, this is the nose. Oh, this is the nose patch. I love how it looks like a smiley face on its own. Okay, so we are going to be attempting to make this. So let's look over our components one more time. We've got this pre-sewn pillowcase. It has a Velcro closure in the back to make it super easy to use. There are 6 straps on this pillowcase. There are also pillow slots. We can see the slots right here. We'll see what those are for in a minute. We've got our pillow insert. We've got our fleece panels over here. And remember, recycled material, incredible. And we've got our felt shapes, the ears, the eyes, the mouth, the tail, the horn. No sewing, no cutting. Fantastic. Great. Oh, love a picture instruction. Oh, with a grayed out. Okay, Eric and Saber. Eric and Saber are the founders of this company, also friends of mine. Okay, I see what you did here. And the numbered, clearly numbered, photographed every step. A lot of craft companies don't take the time to do this. Okay, we're gonna lay the instructions here so I can read them while I'm going. First, weave the unicorn horn. Take the center straps and thread them through the slot. Okay, so the center straps are here. Okay, first step, weave on the unicorn horn. Done. Now, starting with the skinny side of the first fleece panel. Okay, so it's important to note that there are different shaped fleece panels. We're going to start with this one. Now, next, feed the 4 center straps. These guys? No, these guys. The 4 center straps through the neck slits. Slide the fleece all the way up. Okay. Okay, let's see what's it looking like. Okay, cute. Okay, feed the 4 center straps to the next set of slits, so we just do 4 again. My earliest memory as a kid of doing craft kits, I just remember my parents always being so impressed with whatever I created from craft kits, and I just think craft kits made me believe I was going to be this big artist, you know? Because of how impressed everyone was with the crafts. I think it's genius. It inspires so much creativity in them. And I think we just continue on to match up the strips to the number of slits. Love to see this scrunching. Ah, so cool. Okay, finished threading through the last slits in the panel, done. Now scrunch it up and fluff the loops. My loops are fluffed. Fluff them with my finger. Put them in. This is such a fun sensory thing, just putting your finger through them. So for step 11, we're actually going to do this panel completely. So now we're going to start with this one. So again, it's best to do it upside down. I think that's the easiest way. I'll just put it through here. As a kid, this would definitely be the type of craft I was obsessed with. Here we go. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh no, we skipped step 8 and 10. we skipped step, I read it the wrong way. We are just messing up this toy so much. We are gonna have to put the ears a little higher. But you know what, it's a craft toy. And what I know about craft toys is they are intentionally designed so that the kid can kind of create their own craft experience. You know, a kid is not meant to craft exactly the way the company designed it. The kid is meant to experience the craft themselves. And that is what I am doing. I am experiencing the craft in my own way. So, I am not concerned that I did it differently than the instructions intended, because I am having my own custom experience, and it will still look adorable, because any good craft kit is designed to account for a kid or adult messing things up. So let's keep going. Okay, now we can see like all the panels have this like subtle, they're getting subtly larger. So that's how we're gonna know what panel to do next. It's okay. A good craft kit adapts. It's adapting to my impatience. I love a craft kit that makes an intricate looking result with a very simple play pattern or skill level. This simple weaving, you know, you might need to do this with a parent if you're younger, or just at first to get an understanding of what it is you're doing. But once you understand it, the kid will be able to just do this on their own. And even when an adult like me can mess it up. But you know what? I also love when we can put our own little spin on craft kits. So the fact that mine is perfectly imperfect is just a perfect fit for me. It makes it more unique to me. Okay, looking cute. Something got a little funky over here where I put the ear in the wrong place, but that was just a little mistake we made. Tack it down before I forget. Oh wow, there's tack down spots in the middle. I was missing all of, the tack down spot is how you're supposed to tack it in. Like her? Is she looking like her? I think she is. I think we're getting somewhere. So, here we go. Okay, the moment I've been waiting for to do one of these magic balls. Ooh, I finished her. Now we go to finishing the pillow. Once you finish weaving on the 7th panel, you'll fasten the straps into the last slots, which we did, and the bottom loops will cover the area, which it does. It's covering it very nicely right here. And now, slide the pillow insert and fasten the hook and loop closure. Fasten the closure. Before you stick down the patches, play with the layout. Make sure the stars are facing the same direction. Like that. The nose, cute. Oh, I forgot to loop the tail. Oh no! I'm gonna have to like stick it in here because I forgot. Like, it's still cute. Okay. And I'm gonna peel her eyes. The nose sticker, so cute. That is so cute. Oh, look at my little loop friend. She's so cute. And I had to cheat for her tail, but other than that, we did a great job. Let's see how well Magic Scrunch Pillow stands up to the 4 Toyetic Principles. Starting with distinct character personalities. So this character that I made here is the unicorn. They also have the kitty version. So I do have to say the distinct characters and personalities, as much as you can with craft kits, is checked off for this Toyetic element because each of the lines feature a different character, and depending on what that character is, they have different icons. Like the unicorn has the star icon for her collar, whereas the cat has a heart, and you can see there are different color schemes for both. So I do believe the unique character personalities Toyetic trait is met here because there's something for every kid to relate to. A kid could say, this looks like my cat. They could buy that one, or they could say, oh, I love unicorns and this reminds me of my favorite unicorn style. Is this concept of the Magic Scrunch Pillow scalable by theme? I would say it is. This weaving technique in this example is used on a pillow, but we could imagine that this could be used on a variety of other plush in the future. So while right now this brand is focused on the Magic Scrunch Pillow, we can expect to see this Magic Scrunch technology applied to other products within the Bright Stripes category, I think, because it does have the scalability to go on to other toy categories and other types of toys, but right now we're seeing it as a pillow.
Let's move on to Toyetic Principle number 3, which is character-specific accessories. That's where the development of a character and their world can be enhanced to build upon the play pattern. Now, as much as I love the Magic Scrunch Pillow, I do have to say, I don't think the character is specifically integrated into the play pattern in any way. I'm not sure how we would do this. That would be a bit of a challenge without changing the craft in some way, but maybe there is a way to add the fact that this is a unicorn and have that change the way that you create the scrunch rather than just how it looks. Maybe it changes some play pattern. Maybe there's like magic or glitter magic that you sprinkle on when you're done to give it that character specific accessory Toyetic principle. So I have to say it doesn't make the cut for that one. But the 4th Toyetic principle is surprise conflict. Now this one can be surprise or conflict, but really the Magic Scrunch Pillow brand for sure focuses on surprise. If we take a look at some of the packaging, we can see how magically the flat felt folds and scrunches to become this beautiful loopy artwork that we see here. That is the magic of the Magic Scrunch Pillow. That is the surprise element to it, where you see this flat felt piece just magically turning into this soft, plush, beautiful character just like this. The last piece of the magic is also when you insert the plush pillow right inside of the toy to make it even more fluffy and scrunchy. The magic of how these loops come to life is how this toy keeps the child wanting to come back again and again because they see something going from 2D to 3D instantly, giving that gratification and that excitement to continue to craft. Well, there you have it, toy people. That's my review for the Bright Stripes LLC Magic Scrunch Pillow. Remember, this is a patent pending item. There's never been anything like this before. Check the links in the description below to find out where you can buy your very own, or you can head over to thetoycoach.com/gift to grab the Magic Scrunch Pillow from my gift guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.